Hi, my name is Lori Ballen, and I earn six figures annually from my affiliate marketing profits alone. Now, I want to show you a real deal example because sometimes we do way too much overview and not enough literal action steps. So over here, I'm actually creating a blog right now for one of my niche websites. I'm a big believer in niche websites and the power of affiliate marketing. So my blog post here is called "To Botox or Not to Botox?" That is the question. And this is for my lifestyle blog for the midlife woman. Now, if I scroll down here in the first section, I've got a video, and I'm just kind of talking about, what I'm worried about with Botox, what are the pros and cons, and I'm writing in a very authentic, first person kind of point of view. And I'm obsessed with the fact that I want the reader to, maybe be entertained or relate to the blog, but also find stuff that they can use and take away from it. So I'm always looking how we add value. Well, sometimes adding an advertisement or Amazon Associates ads could actually be of value to the consumer. So let's just say my reader is down here and they're reading this section called about bruising after you get Botox. So in this video up here, or actually I have a video open over here I'm watching right now, and I've never done Botox, so I have to do a little research. And the doctor is explaining that there's a potential to bruise when you're having Botox, and he actually recommends a certain kind of cream. Now listen here really quick. Let me push play.
You use a little bit of arnica cream or vitamin K cream.
So he says you can use a little bit of arnica cream or vitamin K cream. This is an opportunity now to link out to something affiliate wise. Now this could be a beauty product or brand that makes arnica cream or vitamin K cream, or you could use your Amazon account. So right here, I've got a couple choices. Here I've got, I think I'm talking about avoiding bruising, but here I can say, if there is bruising, many doctors suggest the use of arnica cream or vitamin K cream. Okay, so I might actually link arnica cream to a page on my own website or straight to Amazon. Now, let me show you how I might do this in both ways. All right, so I have a website here called Midlife Monarch, and this is my Midlife Woman blog. And I actually have WooCommerce built into my WordPress blog. And by the way, if you need help with this, I can actually get you links where you can have a simple website set up for your niche blog. And I'm also part of a forum where affiliate marketing is taught. And so you can build your niche websites and actually learn your affiliate marketing right there within that forum. Also, WooCommerce is a very simple thing. So I'm going to be making some training videos on how to install those yourself. I also own a digital marketing company called Ballen Brands, and we can integrate those things for you. So right here, I'm just going to go up to new product. Okay. And I'm going to call this arnica cream. Because here's why. I would assume now that a woman in this midlife area is going to be advised that she might want to have some arnica cream or some vitamin K cream if she's having Botox. So having this as a product on my website actually makes sense. Now I can do this arnica cream, and then I can actually put a grid of arnica cream on here. But in my case, I'm going to show you something different. I actually have, if I'm going to use, if I have a vendor that provides arnica cream, an affiliate partner, I might go in here right now and just put the information about the product. How much is it? I'm going to change this to an affiliate product. I'm going to pick the product URL. Now, right at this very moment, I don't know who that would be. I'd have to go back and look through all my affiliate partners, and I have a lot. But let's just go ahead and use an Amazon one so that you can see how to add a product to your store through Amazon. So up here, I have an app called Spreader, Spreadr, okay? And let me just see where I put that. Hold on, I want to add it in here. There it is. Sorry, it's under WooCommerce. All right, so instead of just adding the straight product, I'm going to go to Spreader, watch what it does. Now, this also works if you have a Shopify store. I'll get into that later, but let's just stick with your WordPress and WooCommerce, okay? So what I do is I go over to Amazon now, and let me just go on to regular Amazon, not my associate's side, and I'm going to type in here Arnica cream. Okay. Now, let me just go ahead and pick one. And there's some strategy on which ones to pick, but I'm not going to go into this too deeply. Maybe you could sort by featured. Maybe you want to sort by who has the highest reviews and go with that one. Okay, so I'm going to go with, whoops, let me just stop that right quick. I'm going to go with a single one, Arnica Gel Cream. Arnica Capsules. Wow, I had no idea that they had all of this. I just want a basic Arnica Cream. Okay, let's go with this one right here. Let's just say we're going to use this one. So I'm going to click on it. Now I'm going to take this full URL that's in the top. Don't shorten it. Take the full URL. Go back to Spreader and paste that right in here and click Add Product. I love this app because what it does is if you have the paid version, and I don't think I have an affiliate relationship for that I can think of. If you have the paid version, it will sync automatically. And when it syncs automatically, actually, I think the free version has the sync automatically and the paid has manually. What it will do is if that price changes, it will update your website. And if it goes out of stock, you can put settings on your WordPress here that say show it out of stock. So that way you're not getting misinformation, and then Amazon won't ding you. So right up here, I'm gonna go ahead and choose what category I want this to go in. I don't want it to go into fashion. I want it to go into beauty, and I haven't actually started that section, so I'm just gonna title a new one. We'll call this one beauty, and I'll just add a new category. And then under beauty, let's just go ahead and start one called Botox for now. And I'm going to put that under beauty, add new category. Okay. Now I am going to put, I'm just going to put anti-bruising. Yeah, we'll just do that for now. I can change those later if I find any other research that I want. All right, now what I like to do is I like to put a description up here, because this up here tends to get grabbed sometimes on pins and things like that, and that's not a great description. So I'm actually just going to take this top portion here, and I'm going to paste it right there. And again, I'm looking at SEO. Now I can actually take this, hold on, I needed to say something about bruising since we're really targeting SEO bruising on this one. So before pain or bruising, I'm going to add the word bruising. Gets in your way, treat it naturally. I want to make sure it has bruising in the top section, okay? Then I'm going to take that and I'm going to make that the meta description or excerpt. and I look over here and I go, okay, where can I put, I'm going to put that in the product short description. Okay, now down here, actually, I want to make sure it's in the title too. Arnica cream for bruising and pain. Okay, I'm also going to edit this URL. I'm going to call that Arnica cream, because I'm really targeting that phrase, Arnica cream. Okay, and this is just kind of best practices SEO. I teach this kind of stuff all the time. And then what we're going to do is the picture already imports automatically. And over here, I'm going to change this to external affiliate product. So now it's going to go right to my Amazon link. And right here, I could put buy the product, whatever I want that button to say, regular price, sale price, and this will update with spreader. All right, good. We're good. Now I'm going to hit publish. I'm going to hit update so that you can see what this looks like. And then I'm going to show you one more option. There's actually lots of ways to add affiliate links, but I'm going to show you how to add an actual carousel grid of products to your blog post here. So this is one way to do it. The reason I like doing this is because you're building SEO now onto your website. You're now using this Arnica cream as an SEO trigger, as a best practice. So see here where this says $9.99 that's scratched off to $7.49. This is all fed through that spreader app, and it will automatically update. So you're not manually having to watch these prices, which is so important for Amazon regulations. This is gorgeous. I love this. And then if I have related products, they'll show up down here, and I'll teach that in another blog, in another video. So let's just go ahead and take this link to this Arnica cream. So watch this. Let's go back to our blog post. Now I want to link, if there is bruising, many doctors suggest the use of Arnica cream. Right here, I'm going to click on this little link, and now I'm going to send them to my page that offers Arnica cream. See that? Okay. Now, in my experience, these generate more clicks than an ad does. So I like to combine them. So you can see I did that here. Now let's do right here. We're going to add a carousel ad from Amazon. So we go up to our Amazon affiliates account, go up to product linking, up here in the menu, then go down to native shopping ads. From here, we want to create a search ad. Okay, now go down to default search term, and we're going to put in, I keep forgetting what the name of that cream was called. What's it called? Arnica. So let's type in Arnica cream. All right, now there's multiple options for that person to search. So you can, and by the way, I'll show you in another video how to customize this grid. You can actually choose product by product what you want to show up in here based on bestsellers, which is a great strategy, but for the sake of time today, we're just going to pull the easy way. Now you can change this to shop related products. You could change this to shop for Arnica cream. Okay. And then you can change this to a list where the products will show up here like this, or you can do a strip, and the strip is great for mobile, and then the person can click through, they can scroll through that and go to the next one. Let me show you what it looks like if they do a grid. The problem with the grid, if you click on mobile, is that the items get long and take up a lot of space, and they have to scroll them. So I like to make them, if you make them single row, it looks more like the grid view, or you can say, yeah, give me double rows. You can also choose whether to have the search bar above or below if you want them to search there. Okay, so let's just go ahead and take that one. Take this code, highlight the code, go over to your blog post. Now if you're using what I use, WordPress, and you have Gutenberg, which is the new editor. This is so easy to do. And again, if you need one of these websites, just comment in the video below or let me know and I can get you connected with where to get your website set up. So click the plus sign and go to HTML. See this? So the plus sign is just adding a content block. And you can scroll through or you can just go down to HTML, which is what we want as a block. Now this block is for code. Paste in that code you just grabbed from Amazon. See how simple this is? Now watch this. Click preview. There it is. You now have your advertisements. So this is my focus when I am building a niche website is I'm looking for the opportunities to add affiliate links, banners, tiles, ads, things like this to generate business. Now, my entire goal is going to be to rank on the search engines for this topic of Botox. Now, it might be, however, that I start ranking for arnica cream because if there's not a lot of people out there talking about arnica cream, I have the chance to rank. I can also go back to my page about arnica cream and I can do some more work. Now, I can talk about arnica cream and all of the properties and what's the difference between the gel and the cream. And now I'll probably do that. So I use my own blog to create inspiration for additional pieces of content. Before today, as a 47-year-old woman, I had never even heard of arnica cream. But exploring the whole Botox process, I can bet I'm going to come across this a lot and my doctors are going to recommend it. Now I'm going to go do that article because women are going to be looking to shop for it and buy it that are in this niche. So I hope you found this video beneficial today. Please subscribe, click the little bell to be notified when I make more videos like this. Check out my affiliate niche website training at the7thstream.com. My name is Lori Ballen. I earn 6 figures just from my affiliate marketing profits alone, and I'm so happy you were able to join me today.